guys. Ignore South Park. I'm just watching it. I've been watching videos of trumpet noises from the sky, apparently. Watching videos. And it could be a sign for the end of the world to come.
William, don't say anything. We're gonna bust you out of here.
Did you see that episode of Trading Spouses last night? That was insane. Yo, whoa, what the hell? How could you not have seen anything? We've just...
I really don't want to die.
How? You gotta track down
Because
those
it could
kids.
be a sign
Call the police.
to the end of the world, because it's happening in like Canada and Texas
Comrades, I'm afraid our situation
and
is dire.
Ian.
The
And it
economy
might be
is
the
stable.
end of the world.
Very soon, Mother Russia will no longer be a country.
Or the devil might be coming out to kill everyone.
Russian president?
I don't know which one is better.
My name's
End of the world or dying
Who said your
from
country flies people to space for money?
Yes, we certainly do. What were you looking for?
If you think it's true, say in the comments below.
The moon.
And I'll try to find out more if I'm bothered.
Do it.